the person love me, I go test am different way.
You go try monitor the character, the way she move, talk, everything.
The actions of the woman, the character of the woman, the way the woman behaves shows to a man that, look, this woman is in love with me.
Nowadays now, things all they see now, love is all about money. But if person truly love you, whether he get, you no get, that person go say carry along with you. No be when until you don't achieve or you don't buy motor before that person go love you. If you see person who truly love you, you go know say this person really won't go down with you. So you go walk along with that person.
You see, this love issue is a thing of the heart. You observe so many things about love. Love makes you to be dense. Love makes you to do certain things that you not do out of your will.
The actions of the woman tells a man what is happening, and the openness of the woman, the woman telling the man the truth shows that the woman loves that man. When there is no truth in their relationship, doubt in their relationship, when things are not, the two of them are not telling themselves the truth, that means there's no love in that relationship.
Love makes you to surrender yourself. It makes you to, if that person is doing one religion, you go to that religion out of love. These are things you study. Certain things that you know that I'm doing it for this girl. She's supposed to got annoyed from the way she puts herself to be. If she accepted, she's indicating the area of love. Even if your wife caught you with another woman, in her matrimonial bed, she will only go back to cry. That makes you not to sleep on the bed. You'll be afraid. But if she attack you because she didn't love you, you will overreact and you have a reason to continue doing it. But if she just sit down, keep quiet, crying, you look for her heart. You began to beg. There you have remorse. You might even leave such habit. Those are areas where you study love.
Yes, so now welcome back. Now say Bobos Yan on the watch for You-Wazobia TV. And the matter what they talk about today, now say how you fit take know if person truly love you. Our men they don't talk plenty, but I want to say one thing. You know, say for me, the key thing, if person want when you want to take really know say person love you, and say the person will give you 1000% attention. No matter when you need that attention, the person did it.
Some people they way love you, but they feel no they give you all those attention where they ask.
But
maybe they don't get more time.
attention.
Because as a guy, no, it's not as if like now Shakara they very busy now. Towards in show where they come
but
up.
You know me say babe, when you love go call her.
Person
no
wait talk say for the past
yes,
for the when he start to plan this show, you never crank.
Yes, now from June.
Shut up. I know they say, and I'm not saying make you the talker because of say I dey try. But I know I'm just saying see what he said. Now, if he's really in love, you understand? Will you say he's not in love by not showing attention because he's busy?
No, you don't understand. I don't talk say no be attention. I dey talk say no matter how busy we in day, you understand? If the babe gets something where they bother him or she needs to talk to him, when you call her, even though Shakara busy finish, Shakara finish and say I'll call you back in the next 10 minutes, but it don't dey head. Say the next 10 minutes I will call her.
I want list some things where me I feel say if like now if girl love you, you go know. For instance now the girl I want to talk about the guy, and it can go both ways. She wake up in the morning, now you should call first on the phone.
Call, ping, whatever.
Call, ping. This na science, you understand? I get some girls who they laugh, they talk say I love you, but they don't go ping you. If you go 2, 3, 4, 5 days, you understand? I maybe once in a while, or even to call you.
And then let me add to that now. Any girl where they always check on your family.
Yes.
Especially your mom, your siblings.
But that one, but that one, they try to show you say she wants marry you.
No, not be the love now. Which love? What to be love? What to be married?
You know, say it gets on girls.
So they check on your family.
It gets on girls.
What do you think say dating they lead?
No, it gets on girls where naturally you know what marry them. But the girl don't say no marry, so she did desperate to marry you. So she call the chook her head into your family. To show say she didn't carry.
They even chook head. This ones what they tell this category. They just ask. They just ask if you have spoken with your mom. Have you called your mom?
How is she doing? How is your brother? How your dad?
Tomorrow she call again. She still, all those signs. Now person will really love you.
So person they call you like this now?
Yes.
How many?
1.
What's her name?
I won't tell.
person wey no get any, they go reach like 10.
But
when they call her so.
Aside all those ones, you know, see some girls they will be say the only way they take show you say they love you and me they really care for you. Some girls are really, really good with sending you gifts. Both girls or guys.
Which girl they say? Which?
I don't.
Which,
I like
that
me,
gift
wait,
don't
calm
use
down. Like me,
which
no.
girl they send gifts?
Like me now, man.
Which girl they send
I
gifts?
just received 2 fresh boots, lovely ones.
From your mother. From your mother.
My
mother
mama
send boots.
No, my mama send the boots.
Mama send the
No, my mama send the
Mommy's
boots.
boy send the
Hey,
boots.
Jesus.
I remember you want to beg. Get away there, my friend.
Because your mommy now come and your mommy now come and send boot for you now.
If my mommy send me boot, I will tell you.
That is your girl.
Yes, and the last one they asked, my mother can see just walk into a boutique and buy something for me. I don't care. But the truth is this.
Just send
you know, you are not even a man yet. You are a last born. You can't be mature to a man until you start giving birth.
I live on my own. I drive my own car. I feed myself. I pay my bills. What else you give me, man?
And mommy give you boots.
And mommy give you boots.
Yeah?
Now
My boots of many colors that my mama bought for me.
Made only from rags. And I wore it so proudly.
Okay, although we had no money, but I was rich as I could be. In my boot of many colors, hey mama buy for them.
From Abba. Made from
Can I see your opinion?
Abba.
I don't care. If mam's room boot or my babe's room boot, nobody's business. Please, see your opinion, please.
True in actions towards me, and his sincerity.
If the person is truly caring from the start, from the day one of the relationship till the ending, or till when he marry you, instead they care. Now that time you go know say him be the caring person, him be the caring guy.
Well, men, you know say they different, so. But for me, I just feel say when person love you, you go know somehow the things go show because different people with different personalities. But somehow where the little things where person they do they count, where person they love and respect you. You go know say this man love you. Get some kind of thing where the man go to do, where you go they very secure saying, "Nah, my man did this."
I like what that babe just talk now, you know. Now when somebody says sincere, things you do, very small.
No, actions. They say speak louder than voice. True. We know say most times for relationship, no be about too much talking. Get some things where
one person sing, say now the kind of things, small things where they do, they make me they love you so.
I don't hear that line for that one. And all those small things where you some things where you go do for.
They're not really big.
They're not really big.
You don't say women.
Like to branch go pick. Like to branch now go pick your girl after work, which is or during lunch hour.
You can't go.
You just go surprise. Or you
another thing again where you go take really show girls say you truly love them. Now say girls then they like dates. Then they like them. Don't forget their birthday dates. If say you won't do something, you won't do anything.
That one they very cute.
Don't forget them.
You see, any man, and I will not lie. I support you, Ugo. You know why? I don't date some relationships. That is people who I know, where I know they remember their date of birth. Do you understand? You don't reach like 5, 6, 7 years, or maybe one thing where they do, or one thing. And anybody where really love you, like that your owner will do you a surprise birthday. Since last year, now she remember your birthday, begin plan am. You cannot, if you don't marry that girl, Sakara, even the girls.
You tell me who I go marry.
No! You cannot
keep quiet there. Which one you want marry?
After you.
When they talk of science of how to know whether person love.
Now be this one now.
I go your me casual place. Sometimes back. I don't call the girl name. We go, make I take measurements of what I want so I can pay advance. Can't tell your miss I go come so day when the thing already pay balance. No say the day why I come. Your me tell me say the girl come, don't come pay the balance. So you see those kinds of things. That's love.
The girl that's you for you. I get issue when you try call your own love because sometimes I feel say most
why
of
you won't call him? Why you won't call him? Why she won't call him again?
Trying to walk her way.
Yes, yes. You have to be. You have to be very careful.
Listen.
But let me tell you,
Do you know
with
that it's hard for a woman to part with her resources if she doesn't have?
But let me tell you,
10-20%
and this one I say now also goes to even the ladies to hear for the guys. Some guys can buy your love with money. They don't really love you.
Agreed. Agreed. But the thing is this: it is hard. Listen, we know for guys, some guys are just there. They want to buy you so they can crank you to score or anything. But you see, women are very, very sensitive.
And again,
women they're very sensitive. It is hard before woman go purchase her resources just all in the name of say she won't make you love her.
They take and say,
hard.
You get another motive or something, just like football. When you are dribbling, the aim is to score goal. You are dribbling, you are passing. So all those things when you say they walk to your heart. But meanwhile, in a process for you to know say she love you.
Okay, let me shock you. I don't know what some girls they do. You know, say my they call them. I be get one cousin like this. When they just date only 6 months relationship, now the girl go buy big goats. You understand? That's why we chop goat at the time. Big goat, they roast the goat. They don't even come out the neck of the goat. They use onions as earring, everything for this. You know what we call that girl sharp. You know they get something where you go do for person. You don't say that investment.
She do and the guy they do birthday, I mean they do celebration.
I mean a birthday also. But you know why? Some girls they do some things for you. Know, say when they invest 30K for you, say they will get like 100K. Now investment. There's no how like you now that girl we do your birthday. Nobody born you well when you forget her birthday one, or maybe you don't celebrate her birthday. You must do it in the grand style.
You know whether I don't celebrate her birthday before.
We know now. Not about this one again. Now this next year you will celebrate them and you continue celebrating.
You don't speak for people. You speak for yourself.
Retweet. No, see what's in the apple. Retweet. Sharp.
Read the tweet. If you don't read that, give me make a reader. Stop it.
Beatrice, Queen B, Chief Pharaoh. Join witches coven and read the person mind. Chicken runs away. Beatrice we will swear for you.
Witches coven.
And she wrote around again, saying Beatrice, say when they are afraid of losing you and will do anything to make everything right with you.
I don't think that's a way to show that they love you.
Fatima Saleh, this is a very lovely girl. She's always telling us.
Read it in
She said, I have many ways, but as they go, if the guy loves me, he will care so much. He will care so much. Call me every day, treat me right, and make sure say nobody there around to snatch me from him. I love you, Ugo, Shakara, and the lovely one show man. I love you all, Wazobia.
Love you too, babe.
I find Fatima Saleh. Ikpe Leonard. If na different ways, it plenty now. But if you want to know if person love you, that person go they find fault for anything when you do not lie. The person go always one day where you day, do chores for you. The person go always one day touch you. Gladys Abba. If a man loves you, your world revolves around him. He cares a lot about you more than himself. I bet pidgin English next time. Though it is rare to find someone like that, you guys rock. Can't stop laughing every day I watch your show. MC Shakara, Mr. Funny. Ugo, you are too cute. Here, yuck. Reduce them. Ugo, you are too cute. Reduce them. Showman. Man, read my own. Showman, your swag is... Wait now. Showman, your swag is tempting my emotions. You're not serious. You guys are a bunch of entertainment. Nice one.
The only one who go fit take with that move rush go to what does spoil. I tell you for the streets when they send the more I see they send and me they come because we they follow and they talk. What does spoil when they come back? I bet this one goes to our government them. Because truly,
this government
it goes to our government.
Say, Baba,
truly, we they look and say before, when I they grow up, my papa they give me 1 naira, 5 naira, go school, and I see they bring change come house.
500 naira, you know if you eat quality.
But now you can't.
Meanwhile, the present government, we say the previous government,
food.
No try.
Say, you know, this government said
removal of subsidy. They among the team where good luck be one do. Where they come fire and say, may not remove subsidy. For go first to cause. Now, Baba wants to remove subsidy. Are you aware?
No, that was the plan from
That
from
was the
one.
plan from day one.
He will
No,
remove
why
subsidy.
did we protest against
After
Goodluck?
1 year.
No,
Well,
Goodluck wanted to remove subsidy immediately.
We doesn't concern us now.
See,
That's not the issue. We're talking about food.
Now they affecting. That's we're talking about the economy is affecting. What are you saying?
the most important thing now is
Why
you
why
try
you
to
we
take me
need
out.
the organs them
What's
on
that?
the table to do something. That is what we need.
Yes,
we need
no.
them to do something.
Because it's from the
Make our economy.
If food is expensive in a restaurant, it's from our economy.
Make them make our naira de value.
Yes,
But
at
you guys also know that Buhari's one of his agenda for this is whatever is what is doing his campaign. And I say they go feed
primary school children 1 meal a day.
1 meal a day.
Yes, and it's not started.
How many days in office? Over 3 weeks now in office, man.
More than also.
No, like 3 weeks.
I never do it. No one I don't expect anything serious from
No,
the guys.
but we
I don't say that. I don't expect what serious from a president. What are you saying? From a president?
Empty treasury.
Who says so?
Hey! How do you know the treasury is empty? There's no way Nigeria
The money when they released to go fight Boko Haram now, is it from the empty treasury? They do the
wardrobe allowance where they want to pay.
The wardrobe allowance, is it from empty treasury?
Now the more you feel giving and forward us for with that, Mona do something for us. I beg, we dey beg, I beg. Oga Buhari, VP Oshibajo, Mona do something. I beg because as we did so.
They're having a meeting.
We need our
They're having a
country
meeting
to come back
with the governors today.
Mona even try make our naira
the way
get
Sakara
value
they
again.
take power like this, it can't be like
How you go take no if person love you?
So this I say we should go.